Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the ASTRO A50 static noise issue. Improve audio quality fast. So the fix 1, restart and hard reset the headset. Turn off the headset, press and hold the Dolby button and the game button on the right ear cup for about 20 seconds. Now release the buttons and allow the headset to restart. Now reconnect the headset to the base station and test the audio. Fix 2, move the base station to a different USB port. So many users have reported that USB interference cause buzzing and static sound. So disconnect the A50 base station, plug it into a different USB port on your PC or console. If available, try a USB 2.0 port instead of USB 3.0 or 3.0. Then avoid using USB hub or extension cable. Fix 3. Check for ground loop or electrical interference. So connect your PC, console and A50 base station to the same power outlet or surge protection. Keep the base station away from router, speaker, wireless charger and power adapter. Then disconnect nearby USB device temporarily to identify interference source. The fix 4. Update ASTRO firmware. So open the ASTRO command center or Logitech G Hub. Then connect the headset and base station and check for available firmware update and install all updates and restart the headset. The fix 5, check microphone monitoring the side tone. So excessive side tone or microphone feedback can sound like static. So open Astro command center, lower the microphone monitoring or side tone level. Now test with microphone muted and unmuted. If the noise disappear, adjust microphone settings and further. The fix 6, reduce wireless interference. So the A50 uses wireless communication that can affect by nearby device. So move Wi-Fi router away from the base station. Turn off nearby Bluetooth device temporarily. Now place the base station in an open area with a clear line of sight to the headset. The fix 7, verify cables and connection. So loose or damaged cables may introduce noise. So reset all USB and optical cable. Try a different USB cable if possible. Now ensure all connections are firmly plugged in and inspect cables for damage or wear. The fix 8, contact Logitech G Astro support. So if none of the above fixes resolve the issue, note your headset generation, the Gen 3, Gen 4 or A50X etc. And record when the static occurs, all the time only during the voice chat, only on PC or etc. Now check warranty status and contact support for advanced troubleshooting or replacement options. Then thanks for watching. Goodbye.